Class 7 of Power Electronics for KPT electrical students. Two transistor model of an SCR. Operation of SCR is explained here using two transistor model of an SCR. SCR can be thought of two transistors connected together. You cut this, you will get like this. Top here PNP, in below you have NPN. Base of the first transistor is connected to the collector of the other transistor, and collector of the first one is connected to the base of the other. Now you will get this. This is called as two transistor equivalent circuit of an SCR. See what happens here. Assume that gate is open. When you apply voltage here, forward biased voltage, both the transistors are forward biased. You can see here, see the arrow mark here. This voltage is cooperating this arrow mark. Here also, here also. But since there is no base current, transistors will not conduct. Only leakage current will flow, what we will call as forward leakage current. Once you apply a small base current, gate current, this gate current will give base supply to transistor Q2. This is Q1, Q2. You know transistors have amplification factors beta 1, beta 2. Assume that beta 1 is something say 200, beta 2 is something say 250. Both can be same, I am just saying. So when the base current is applied here, this transistor's collector current will become 200 times the base current. You have given here say 5 milliamperes. Now 200 times the 5 milliamperes will come here. This 200 times the 5 times is okay, so that is the base current to this. So this acts as base to this transistor. Now collector current of this will increase. This collector current flows through the base of this one. See, this base current will cause this collector current. This collector current, now this is again base current. Okay, when this base current increases, this collector current also will increase. When this collector current increases, it has to pass through the base of this. So this base current will increase. Now this collector current also will increase. This regenerative action is so fast that both the transistors would be driven to saturation in few microseconds, say something around 50 microseconds. This is called as turn on time of an SCR. So you have to apply the gate current only for the duration of turn on time of SCR. So usually we will give only a pulse for the gate triggering. We will not give continuous because it is wastage of gate power. So this is the two transistor model of SCR. Thank you.